Number 3 on the list, we're going to move to SummerSlam 99. This was the start of Triple H's main event push. He's going to be in the main event here. It's going to be Stone Cold Steve Austin versus Triple H versus Mankind. This one was so big that they had to go out and get Jesse the Body Ventura as a special guest referee. It doesn't really get any bigger than this. Of course, I think this was the start of Stone Cold Steve Austin going out due to some sort of an injury. One thing leads to another. They end up having to have Mankind win the title here. They had to have Triple H. He had to go and win the title on Monday Night Raw the next night. But this one's got a lot of big matches on here. Of course, you're going to have the Test versus Shane McMahon, love her or leave her. Granite Street fight. Test had been dating Stephanie McMahon for a good little while. Shane, being the overprotected older brother, didn't want her. I guess he didn't want his sister dating one of the wrestlers. So Test was out there to beat respect into Test. Test was able to beat him. So from there, I believe Shane and Test shook hands, and it was all right for them to move forward. But of course, there's always a new twist to the storyline that goes along with that McMahon Helmsley soap opera that was going on. The Rock versus Mr. Ass, that's definitely a match that you're going to want to stay 100 feet away from. That's not a good one, but you get to see a Lions Den weapons match. Ken Shamrock beat the hell out of Steve Blackman. Of course, you got D'Lo versus Jeff Jarrett. That's going to be another good one. The Battle of the Big Men. Kane and X-Pac going up against Undertaker and Big Show. We got a really good tag team turmoil match. You get to see all the tag teams of the era right there. So, number 3 on the list, SummerSlam 1999.